Good morning, students. Today we are reading chapter number 3 in your EVS book. Chapter number 3 is The Food We Are Eat. आज हम आपकी बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 3 द फूड वी आर ईट रीडिंग करेंगे। आप सभी को भी अपनी बुक में इस चैप्टर को आज रीड करना है। फूड इज़ वन ऑफ आवर मोस्ट बेसिक नीड्स। इट गिव अस एनर्जी टू वर्क, प्ले, रीड एंड even think. Food from plants. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. Plants are our biggest source of food. Cereals. Wheat, rice, oats, jowar, maize and bajra are the cereals of or grains that we commonly eat. Wheat is ground into flour and used to make rotis, bread and naan. Rice is also widely eaten. It is also used to make food stuff like dosa, idli, etc. Oats are usually eaten for breakfast. Pulses. Dals like moong, urad, masoor, kidney beans, rajma, dry peas, etc. are called pulses of lentils. Next page. Vegetables. Beans, carrot, onion, potato and tomato are some common vegetables. They are cooked or eaten raw and as salad. Fruits. Apple, bananas, cherries, oranges, pineapple and strawberries are some popular fruits. Fruits are of two types, fleshy and dry. Mango and papaya are fleshy fruits. Raisin, apricot and almond are dry fruits. Fruits are eaten raw. We also drink juice made from different fruits. Spices. Cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, pepper, bay leaf, turmeric and chilies are some common spices. They make our food colorful and spicy. Indian food is popular all over the world because of the spices that we put in it. Next topic है आपका beverage. Leaves of some plants are used to make drinks. These drinks are called beverage. Tea and coffees are popular beverage. Coffee powder is made from coffee beans. Farming. Food such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oilseeds and spices are grown by farmers in the field. Plants which are grown over a large area are called crops. The process of growing crops is called cultivation. Different crops are grown at different times of the year. पेज टर्न करेंगे अब हम नेक्स्ट पेज पे। देखिए आपको यहाँ पर पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं कि किस तरह से फार्मिंग की जाती है। ओके, नेक्स्ट है आपका द जर्नी ऑफ फूड। द फार्मर फर्स्ट प्रिपेयर द फील्ड. ही प्लग्ड द फील्ड एंड एड मैन्योर एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स. देन ही सोज द सीड्स. After a few days, the seeds germinate and a small plant appear. The farmer waters the crops regularly. He sprays insecticides and pesticides to keep the crops safe from insects and pests. The crops grow in about 6 months. They are then ready to be cut. The cutting of crops is called harvesting. After the crops have been harvested, grains are separated from the plants. This is called threshing. Then the husk is removed. This process is called winnowing. The grains are then packed and are ready to be supplied to the market. Small farmers take the crops to the wholesale market in tractor or bullock carts. Big farmer send them by trucks and trains. नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं हम। The grains may also be taken directly to the factories. Here the grains are cleaned and packed, the packet and labeled. Then they are sent to the wholesale market. To the market, the harvested crops have to be sold quickly. since some vegetables and fruits get spoiled quickly that cannot be stored for too long. These perishable fruits and vegetables are quickly transported to the mandi for sale. Non-perishable foods items like grains and pulses are packed in bags and sold in bulk. Grocers buy bag of grains and pulses in large quantities and take them to shops. They buy only as much as they can sell. Sometimes middlemen buy the produce at a mandi and supply it to different grocers of their area on a regular basis. Community eating. We eating food without family every day. However, there are special occasions when we call out extended family and friends for meals at home or even eat outside at a particular place. Next है langar. Langars are free meals that are served in gurdwaras at the large people in irrespective of their caste and status eat together. The food served at a langar is purely vegetarian. There are people who prepare food, others who serve the food once it is prepared, and another group who ensure that the place is clean after the food is served. The langar was started by Guru Nanak Dev. It combines three noble principles: charity, community service, and social equality. Duries are neatly spread out for people to sit on. People are served in disposable plates made of dried and pressed leaves. Turn your page. Traditional foods. India is a vast country. Each state has its own traditional delicious that are eaten during festivals. Ghevar and feni are traditional sweets that are eaten in Rajasthan during Tej and Raksha Bandhan. Sivaiya is a special sweet dish that is prepared and served on Eid. Gujia is a special sweet dish that is eaten on Holi. During Navratras, puris, chana and halwa are given as prasad. Pethas are special pancakes that are prepared during Bihu. During Onam, a special meal called Onasya is prepared. In it, a 9-course meal of 10 to 13 dishes is prepared and served. For Pongal, a sweet dish prepared with rice and milk is eaten. Revari, gajak and groundnuts are eaten during winters. Christians eat cakes on Christmas. At boarding school. In boarding school, students eat at the mess. The mess serves food according to a fixed menu. The children learn to eat all the dishes that are prepared and served. Next, midday meal. The Indian government has started a midday meal scheme in government schools. This is because many of the students in these schools cannot afford to bring healthy food to school. The main idea is to promote the right of food. The midday meal has following benefits. It encourages children to come to school. It helps in the healthy growth of the children. It reduces inequality. ओके सो ये था हमारा आज का चैप्टर जो हमने रीड किया है एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको नेक्स्ट डे वीडियो में मैं आपको इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूँगी.